Okay guys, this is how to do the preparation for pillar and painting from from dry sanding up to put a pillar a little bit. See, some deep dent there. So I'm already grinding this part because of I have work, so I need to grind this by sandpaper by grit 100. So I need to fix it, the cracks. This is dry sanding. Before you put in a pillar in the scratch area. See, dry sanding. See the part area. See, need to remove the scratch, but not so much. Okay, dry sanding. A little bit put a pillar because see, a little bit deep, light only, not too much. See, in some other areas like this. See, because it's hard. See, grit 100 is enough. The deep area only we can use the pillar, but only scratch, light only, like this, not too much. No need, not necessary to use a grinder because small part only, not big part only. So if you spray, flush the dent, then light spraying only. No need a fancy sanding. Simple like that. No scratch area. Basic. Yes. After that, use clean wax or use wax. The important is dry. See? Even if you not use the pillar, if you're not sensitive, you can put. See? Okay? Just remove a little bit the scratch, the bumper. Easy. Easy. If you see there's a pillar, I repaired it also. My bumper, there's some patches of fiber patches. Then I put pillar. Then after totally dry, I will sandpaper also.